Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's a quick one about how you can make your homemade seasoning. This one is super quick, super healthy, so let's see what we've got. We've got some shiitake mushrooms. I've got 3 of them here, 3 little boxes. Look at these beauties. Wow, they've got so weird shape and sizes, and these are super immune booster. And what I'm gonna do with them, I'm gonna slice them up and put them into dehydrator. Once they are dry, I put it into blender and mix it into fine powder, and then I can use it in my soups with rice. If you fancy maybe sour porridge, not the sweet version, you can put it there with some veg, and this is really versatile into sauces, and yes, super healthy, always on hand, because I know you don't always have time of fresh mushrooms in your kitchen, so this is what you can do. I will also show you what I did previously. So this is seasoning made from vegetable peels, and I've got there some petals from French marigold as well. So if you've got veg and organic obviously, so you can keep the peels, you can dry them, mix them up, and also use it into soups. So basically what I've got here, I've got sweet potato peels, I've got carrot peels, I also put some pea pods, and I've got some petals from my garden. Here is a French marigold, I put some dill, so the possibilities are endless. And you can also put some turmeric there, and nutritional seasoning, and yeah, you can make it like super booster. So I was thinking I fancy something else as well, and that's why I will have the mushroom on the side. And I will show you, I've got king oyster mushrooms as well here, so you can make it with them, but I will keep them for my soup today, so I'm cooking some soup. But yeah, as you can see, this is from Able & Co. I just received my organic vegetable box, and now I'm gonna slice this beauty and put them into the dehydrator. Let's go! Check this out. The smell is amazing. I wish you were here. Ready, steady, here we go. Ready to go to dehydrator. Wonderful shiitake mushrooms, ready to be made as a homemade seasoning. Yummy. Check this out. Shiitake mushrooms, nicely dried. Wow. Let's make some powder. And voila, here we are, shiitake mushroom powder. Ooh! Check this out. The smell is amazing. So nice, so mushroomy. Tam-ta-da-da! Our shiitake mushroom seasoning is ready. Wow! I'm gonna sprinkle it everywhere. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So you can put it in your porridge if you fancy savory version. You can put it on rice with potatoes, in soups, in casseroles. The possibilities are endless. and the smell and everything, the health benefits, they are just amazing. It's such a great immune booster. So go and enjoy it. You can keep it plain, you can put some salt, you can put some nutritional yeast, you can put some pepper, whatever you fancy. So I'm gonna keep it plain, and I've got my vegetable seasoning as well, so if I fancy I put two of them together, but I'm not gonna mix them. I just wanna keep it plain. So I hope you find it inspiring. Let me know if you are using any mushrooms powder, and what is your favorite way to use them. Do you put it in your omelette or on your eggs, wherever? Let me know. I am curious to know. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe now if you haven't done so. Share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.